Before Mooresville was even officially a town, this place was its heart. The train depot that made the town possible, marking the exact center of Mooresville for more than a century. Stand here long enough, and you can almost hear the low rumble of trains that once stopped outside, carrying people and stories from far away. Today, it's still a place where people gather. But instead of the hiss of steam and clatter of wheels, what arrives here now are ideas, inspiration, and connection. If you've been craving a break from the noise of everyday life, this is your stop. The soft echo of footsteps on hardwood, colors that feel like they could spill right off the walls. A quiet hum of conversation as people see the world through someone else's eyes. Some come just to wander, knowing the exhibits will change in a few weeks. Others pick up a brush, a pencil, or a camera and create something of their own. And many come for the energy of an event. The clink of glasses at a reception, music drifting through an art walk, the warm buzz of community all around you. However you arrive, you leave with more than you expected. A new skill, a new friend, or maybe just a fresh way of seeing the world.